Hey, I'm Cesar. In this video, we are going to explain how to create your first widget. This is a very simple, easy to follow step-by-step tutorial for you to learn, how to create your first widget. You go to widgets, you go to this menu, create and edit, and here you will see the widgets you have created. If you have none, there will be nothing. There will be no widgets created. What we have down here, you will see it, is these templates. Those are templates for you to click and activate a widget using one of these templates. We are going to do that later. For now, we are going to do it from scratch, so you can see what it takes to create a widget. A widget, obviously, is a module for your website to capture customers. The idea is you have a website, a landing page, maybe it's a Twitter account, maybe it's a Facebook account, you name it, you need something to get customers into your WhatsApp. With our widget, you can do it with a nice tool, with a CRM. We will see every option in this platform, but for now, we are going to focus on how to create your first widget. So let's go here at widget. The first thing we need to do is we need to populate these three fields. So very easy. The first one is your business name. We call it WhatsApp widget name, but let's say it's your business name. So let's call this Bakery, Peter's Bakery. Here you can upload or change your logo. Okay, we have done a few templates for you, so it's easy, for you to choose one. If you have a logo, just upload your logo. Your logo must be a JPEG, PNG, GIF. Those are the formats we support, and you can upload the file, and that's it. The widget header message is a call to action. It's like why someone should contact you, like place your order with us using WhatsApp. I mean, you can put something that, tells the user, hey, contact us, let's start a conversation, find the best deals, place your order, make your booking, anything that makes the user start a conversation with you. And the widget button message is something like, let's talk on WhatsApp. That's the basic configuration for your widget. So I'm going to move this, we click save. The next step, you are automated, send to the agents section. As you can see, we have here we have the widgets, agents, landing page. This is the menu of your widget. Okay, each widget, let's say, is like a small application. So each widget has its own menu. Okay, you can create unlimited widgets, you can create unlimited agents, but we are, doing our first widget. We are going to do something very simple. So the agent, what is the agent? The agent is the person who is going to receive the messages. So let's call this Peter. We can add a photo if we want, or we can upload our own photo. The same, we have done some templates for you, so you can choose one from here. So the same, we want to make it as easy as possible for you to start working with us. Then, the WhatsApp type. For now, we are going to use a phone number. So you need to add your country code and your WhatsApp number. In this case, this is my WhatsApp number. You can contact me anytime. I'm here for you. I'm here for, to give you support. So if you have questions, if you need support, please contact me. And the job title, we can say, I don't know how to say, Baker. I don't know, I'm not sure. Okay. And default message will be what the user is going to send us in the first messages. It's like a template for the user, to start the conversation. So we can put something like, I want to place my order for a custom cake. Let's say this is the idea. And down here, we have email notifications. This is very useful. You should add your email here because we can send you an email message when there is a new lead. Okay, so this can be something like this. For now, that's it. Okay, the same. We're going to update. And our widget is ready. We go here for a preview. We see the widget, we have the agent, we click, and we go straight to WhatsApp. Fantastic, it's working. This is the message we are going to send, and we have the widget ready to go. That's it. This is the basic setup for a widget. Now, let's say I want to publish this widget in my website. What I need to do, we click install, we copy this code. This code, you need to put it in the header of your website. That can be a challenge for some users. That's something that you need to know a bit of code. You need to know a bit of how to install this in your website. We have tutorials for each platform. We are going to put it in the academy, but just for you to see it how it's done. So we go to the theme file editor. This is using WordPress. We go to header, and before closing the header, we copy the script. That's it. If you don't know how to do it, if you need support, please contact us. We are going to help you. We are going to try to give you support. So because sometimes we need to update the file, and that's it. This widget is created and is published. Super easy, no? I think you like it. I think this is easy for you. You see, this is Peter the Baker. We put it on the website, and everything is working fantastic. So this is very easy. I'm going to delete it because in our website we have other widgets, and I don't want to mix things up that much. So widget is done. Widget is published. We have an agent. We have the widget configured. Now let's think about, okay, what else can I do? There is something that is very common. We have here advanced features, and it's to change the color. Something you may want is, okay, my company is blue, or my website is blue. I want the widget to be blue. That's something you can do. I want the agent to ask some questions to the users. I want, before going to WhatsApp, I want to understand what the user wants. We can add a small form in the widget before going to WhatsApp. So as you can see, we have some templates for you. I choose the one that is called sales, okay? And in this form, we have name, email, WhatsApp number, and contact sales. Everything is already there. It's a template. You only need to click. And now let's click here to activate this form. Now in this widget, we are going to ask these questions to the users before going to WhatsApp. Why you want to do this? Because you want to have a qualified user. If the user clicks on the button, there is no qualification. Anyone can do it. If you ask a few questions, then you're going to have someone with a bit more of interest in what you do. So it's a more qualified user. Here, what I think is interesting is to make more specific questions. So instead of email, we are going to ask, what type of cake do you want? And here we can add a dropdown, and we can say birthday, wedding, chocolate, I don't know, pie no, carrot cake. I mean, we can add as many options, questions, things here for the user to choose, like name, what type of cake, and then the phone number. So this is for you to think, okay, what is important for my business to understand about the users? Like, for example, what type of cake they want. Maybe it's important the zip code, because you are a local service and you serve customers nearby. So the zip code will be very important. Yesterday, I was chatting with an electrician, and for him, the question is about what type of service do you need, like sockets, aircon, certificates. These can be questions that are important for your business to get leads. Okay, so this is for you to think and how you can do it. As you can see, you have this option called dropdown that you can add the question, and then options for the users. Here we have an option that is very popular, that is show as button. When you click that, the options are displayed as a button. You can also make this multiple. Multiple means I can choose more than one. Okay, the same. This is up to you. It's not like you need to use it. This is for you to think, okay, I need to make a question, but the answer can be multiple. No, like what type of service do you need? Maybe there are different options the user can choose at the same time. Okay, so this is options for you to work, to think, to design. I mean, this is a tool for you to create the best form for your website, for your landing page, for your social media, to get those customers. Okay, you need to get the best customers possible, and you need to use a tool like this one to do it. Okay, so the widget is done, the agent is configured. Okay, and let's say, hey, in my company we have more than one agent. I have two agents. For example, you have a sales agent and a support agent, post sales agent. That's not a problem. You can add an extra agent. So let's call this one support and shipping, for example. Let's choose a photo. It's going to be this one. Let's put here the phone number. You can put any phone number, okay? If you have a WhatsApp, fantastic. If you have a WhatsApp business, fantastic. If you have WhatsApp API, fantastic, okay? Support and shipping. What is called this? Anna. I need support. The same we can put here, for example, the email can be support@chatwith.io. New user from website. I'm going to update. And now in our widget, we have two agents. Let's go to the widget so we can see a preview. And as you can see, okay, I have Peter and I have Anna. Peter is the baker, Anna is support and shipping. So I have two agents, The user is going to choose who is the right person for his inquiry. Let's say I want to place a new order. I will chat with Peter. I have an issue with my order. I'm going to chat with Anna, okay? So this is for you to think the same. I want everyone in my company to be on the widget, or it's better to have one person and then this person is going to distribute the inquiries to the right person. The same, this is up to you, no? This is options for you to, understand, check what is possible, check what is not possible, how this works. And down here, just in case, you can add other links. Let's say you want to add your Instagram, for example. If you want to add your Instagram, you click here. Sorry, I'm going to close this one. You click save. And now it's done. I think it's done. Let's see. Yes, it's done. All right. So you can add your Instagram, link just in case you want to promote your social media. I will say it's not a good idea. You want social media to become a funnel for your leads, not the other way around. Okay. So, but this is up to you. If you want to add more links, you can do it here. Okay. For now, I'm going to remove it. I don't want those, let's say, outgoing links. I prefer everyone to go to my WhatsApp because I want more clients. Okay, that's the idea. Okay, this is your first widget. This is your first configuration. This is your first design. So let's go to the design section because I want to show you some options. The same here, we have some templates. These templates are very easy to use. You can click, save, and the design of the widget, as you can see, has changed. Now everything is a bit more rounded. This is the bubble theme. You can choose a buttonizer, for example. This is going to make, a widget like this one. So it's very, compact, very small. Rounded, this is another template. It's like that with this gradient, so it looks nice. You have the WhatsApp template, of course. We need to have that one. And this one looks more like a WhatsApp interface, okay, with the background, with the paper wall, etc. This one that looks more like buttons. Okay, the same. This is for you to explore. This is for you to test. This is for you to create. Down here, you have more options. Okay, this is for you, the same. This is for you to test and think if it's right for you. For example, the header. If you don't want the header, you can remove it. Okay, that's something you can do. You can always, check and check. So please feel free to explore. Feel free to test. Feel free to, do a configuration, to remove it, to try again, etc. For example, let's show widget notification. This is very popular, and this makes this one icon here that makes the button a bit more clickable. No, this makes the button a bit more like everyone wants to click that. So this is for you to explore. At the same. For example, you can widget display delay. For example, what that means? That means the widget is not going to be displayed right away. We are going to wait 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Animation. Okay. For example, I don't want animation. Let's click. Let's wait 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Okay, the widget goes straight. Let's say you want the bounce, slide, fade. Fade is more like dissolves. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so the same. This is for you to test. This is for you to explore. I mean, we give you an unlimited tool. What that means you can create as many widgets as you want. As you can see here, for example, I have a bunch of widgets just to test ideas, to test design, to test configurations, to test what happens if I do this, what happens if I do that, what happens if I change the icon, what happens if I do, 2 agents, 3 agents, etc. This is a tool for you to explore. There are no limits on what you can do here. You can do 1 widget, 100 widgets, 200 widgets. Is a tool for you to create, to experiment, to test, to work with other clients, companies, friends. This is a tool for you to really become, a developer, to become a marketing agency, to become a media buyer, to become someone who helps local businesses. This is a tool for you to expand in a new area, for you to create a new business, for you to create a new way of making money. This is a tool for you. Okay, we are here to support you, we are here to help you, but we are here for you. Okay, so hope you like it. Please, if you have questions, send me a message. This is a first lesson. We are going to start an academy, and the idea is to make these videos as clearly and step by step for you to follow. Okay, thank you, see you soon, bye bye.